How could you ever think of having a Hall of Fame
without Jim
without
Redman.
Jim Redman?
And we
Yeah, maybe the sixties, maybe Jim Redman we
Jim
mentioned here.
Redman.
yes, because he
Uh,
never won 500, did he?
he
No, he
never.
didn't.
He did go to the 500s, didn't he? When Honda first started
Yeah,
in what '66 and won the first two races, but then
yes.
he had a accident at the Belgium Grand Prix and retired from the sport. Of course, Jim Redman is still around. I think he's 94,
Yeah.
and I
Yeah.
think he's the oldest surviving world champion. So he goes back to the early '60s. But how could you ever think of having a Hall of Fame
Without Jim
without
Redman.
Jim Redman?